What's going on, guys? Slim here, back again with another video for y'all. Today I will be shooting again inside my garage, so you already know we're going to be shooting some airsoft here. I actually just got this new toy a week ago and I haven't got to play around with it, but this is the UMAREX G19x 121 airsoft handgun. I do have my actual TLR 7X here. I am rocking the outside the waistband holster here, and we'll be drawing from the holster a lot today. Here we go. All right, we're doing fine. I think we're doing all right. I want to do more. I want to close this out a little bit. Okay, just to get used to it a little bit more. Let's check it out. Okay, so our groupings are a little tighter now. I think we're ready to go. Drawing from the holster. Stand by. Ooh, that was bad. All right. Ooh, I dropped one. Let's do that again. That was bad. Bad draw. Ooh. Try that again. There we go. Now we're gonna do drawing from the holster, target A to target B. Ooh, that was bad. I need to relax a little bit. My shoulders are a little high. Tense. Oh, that was a bad draw. Oh. That was a bad draw. What is going on here? That was a lot of gas. Let's try doing that faster. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that content, and if you do, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new to it, and see you soon.